you read about the text, Mom gives you a video. Please watch it.
Carlo, the thirsty crow. It was a hot summer day. Carlo the crow was very thirsty. He flew about here and there, looking for water. He saw a pot with water. He went close to the pot. Carlo saw that there was very little water in the pot. Carlo could not reach the water.
What do I do? I'm really thirsty. How do I drink the water?
Carlo looked around. He saw some pebbles. He had an idea. He picked up the pebbles one by one and dropped them into the pot. As Carlo dropped the pebbles into the pot, the water came up. Carlo drank the water. He flew away happily.
Okay, after watching the video, I want you one by one to read the story. The first paragraph is read by Lila, the second paragraph is read by Susie, and last paragraph is read by Maria. Okay, Lila? The thirsty crow. One hot day, a thirsty crow flew all over the fields looking for water. For a long time, he could not find any. He felt very weak, almost lost all hope. Suddenly, he saw a water jug below the tree. He flew straight down to see if there was any water inside. Yes, he could see some water inside the jug. Alright, ma'am. Okay, next. The crow tried to thrust his head into the jug. Suddenly, he found that the neck of the jug was too narrow. Then he tried to push the jug to tilt for the water to flow out, but the jug was too heavy. Then Maria, please. The crow fell hard for a while. Then looking around him, he saw some pebbles. He said that he had a good idea. He started filling up the bricks one by one, dropping it into the jar. As more and more liquids find the jar, the water level kept rising. Soon it was right down Can you see? In the story, we can analysis about the fish genetic structure. In the story, orientation is ABC crow, and the second is communication. There are two communications in the story. The fish people crispy, sea flow long time to find water, but didn't find it. And the second is when she found the water in the jar, it was difficult to drink. And the resolution for the text is they perform the way to drink water from the jar by filling the jar with some pebbles. And then the learning feature of the text, the first is using same verb, side. Can you see in this slide? And the second is using thinking verb. Using thinking verb is talk. Can you see? And then using action verb flow, and then using time conjunction or what in the first sentence, and then using corrective, then suddenly, then sorry, and the last using past tense. In the story, using past tense is the crow got heart, and then crow was saw and felt. Are you understand about our explanation? Yes, ma'am. Okay. The next is after you know about the story is very interesting as it teaches us to try hard when we face difficult problems. We cannot easily give up. Try hard and more is the key of success. And that is also for English. Read more, practice speak one more, and write English more often. Okay? And then I give you questions. Answer the question based on the text. Please read. Paham tentang the text. So the first question is, what did a crispy crow find one day? Please raise your hand. Okay, Suci, what is number one? What did a thirsty crow find one day? A water jar. Okay, excellent. And the second question is, what did he try to do? Okay, Mila?
The crow tried to push his head into the jar.
Okay, excellent. And the last, what did the crow do to be able to drink? Okay, please raise your hand. What did the crow do to be able to drink? Okay, Rani, what is?
What did the crow do to be able to drink? He started picking up the pebbles one by one.
Okay, excellent. It is the answer. And the next is question 2. Choose A, B, C, D as the most appropriate answer. Please answer number 1. What is the answer? Okay, Nila, what is?
How did the crow reach the water in the jar? The answer is B, by dropping pebbles into the jar.
Okay, excellent. And the next, question number 2. Okay, Titi?
The crow was thirsty.
Oh, okay, excellent. And question number 3. Who is now? What is the answer? Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Question number 3. The crow reached the water because that. Yeah, and the next is exercise homework. Please kerjakan di rumah tentang the story. The story is Sam the Kind Lion. Please you answer what is the text about, what is the type of the text. And the second is discuss with your friends about the television in Sam the Kind Lion text and tell again. Are you understand? Yes, ma'am. Okay. This about the narrative text. I hope you understand